Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll explain you the concept of parent and child game objects inside Unity. In Unity, if we place one game object inside another game object, then the outer game object is called the parent game object and the inner game object is called the child game objects. Parent and child game objects are generally used to group game objects of similar type. Now, inside the hierarchy, as you can see, we have 4 spheres named as Sphere 1, Sphere 2, Sphere 3 and Sphere 4. So I will now group these 4 spheres together by creating an empty game object. Okay, so I'll deselect all the spheres and after this I'll right click inside the hierarchy and I'll click on create empty. Okay, so when I clicked on the create empty option, as you can see over here, a new game object is created by the name of game object and this game object is an empty game object. Okay, so as you can see, these are the axes of the empty game object, and if I drag it out of the sphere, then as you can see, this game object is basically empty. That is, it does not contain anything. Okay, now I'll rename this empty game object as sphere holder, and after this I'll drag the 4 spheres inside this sphere holder game object. Okay, so I'll select the first sphere and I'll drag it on the sphere holder. Okay, so I'll drop the sphere 1 over here, and now as you can see, the sphere 1 is inside this sphere holder game object. That is, the sphere 1 is now a child of the sphere holder game object. And after this, I'll select the sphere 2 game object and I'll drag it inside the sphere holder again. I'll select the sphere 3, I'll drag it inside sphere holder, and I'll select the last sphere, that is sphere 4, and I'll drag it inside the sphere holder. So guys, as you can see, the sphere holder game object is the parent game object and the sphere holder game object basically contains 4 child game objects, that is sphere 1, sphere 2, sphere 3 and sphere 4. And if I select the sphere holder game object, and if I move the axis of this, then as you can see, since all the 4 sphere game objects are child of sphere holder game object, you can see that all the spheres are moving together when I move the axis of the sphere holder game object. So I'll click on Ctrl Z and I'll bring all the spheres to the default position. So guys, that's it from this video, and I hope from this video you would have understood the concept of parent and child game objects inside Unity.